Hi, this is Team Aeronauts. We built early fault prediction in wind turbines. This system represents the gear and gear tooth fault prediction. In this, we use a gear motor which is controlled by a motor driver. By the using motor driver, we control the PWM signals of the motor, which will replica the windmill. How the wind speed changes according to the wind flows through air. By this, using accelerometer and encoder, we generate the parameters like RPM that all and to the dashboard lively to the represent. Next system represent the blade fault. In blade fault there is a minute vibration in the blade like crack in the tip or middle or both. We generate we have an idea to attain the fault prediction in blades without blade like we using a piezoelectric and two piezoelectric and op amp. The piezoelectric has generated only small millivolts. By using op amp we can generate the amplify the millivolt to like volt, and we notice that the waveform by tapping the piezoelectric center to generate a voltage. From this we ensure that the blade fault is identified. Once we getting the data, we push to the cloud and cloud to dashboard. This system represent the shaft bearing and generating side fault prediction. In this we use an accelerometer encoder for RPM and a temperature sensor for temperature inside the turbines or like shaft bearings and all, and we use as voltage and current sensor for generating side. By using electrical machines like alternator, we can notify the fault predictions. What are the fault predictions in the shaft bearing and generating side. We use a resistive load for a medium load, no load, high load and maximum load. How the system represent for these categories of loads, and we use Arduino to collect the data from the sensors like RPM, like encoder, current, voltage and temperature and accelerometer. By this we train a model and deploy into Raspberry Pi. From this we gonna transmit to dashboard. This represents the dashboard of our system, the Team Aeronauts. First overall view of the dashboard gives you the healthy condition, normal condition, which is a critical one to change the parts of the wind turbine. And this is bearing, and this is blade 1, which can control 3 blades or the waveform of the 3 blades, and this is for gear.